Malacanang has described Vice President Sara Duterte's alleged death threats against the president as a matter of national security amid the ongoing impeachment trial. The palace says VP Sara's public statements raise serious security concerns, insisting that it is now up to her camp to justify the remarks made in the widely circulated video. IBC News correspondent Harley Valbuena has the report.
Kahit kitang-kita na sa buong mundo ang kanyang mga tinuran, ang kanyang galit at ang kanyang mga pag-amin. Ano pa ba ang dapat napatunayan?
That was the reply of Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro when asked about Vice President Sara Duterte's statement insisting that the House Prosecution Panel has yet to prove in her impeachment trial that she indeed has grave threats against the President. VP Duterte is currently facing an impeachment trial over allegations of grave threats, among others. During the trial proceedings, both the prosecution and defense teams used a video clip from a 2024 online video press conference where she uttered the alleged grave threat. For Yusek Castro, the VP's utterance of contracting an individual to do her bid to kill can even be considered as a matter of national security. The palace also hits back at VP Sara's camp, saying that the death threat was not directed to the President or the First Lady.
Isang katawa-tawa ang ganyang mga pahayag. Unang-una, hindi ito lihim. Lahat ng tao halos nakapanood. Hindi na sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. Dapat sila magpatunay ng justifiable reasons nila kung bakit nila ito, or rather, bakit niya ito ginawa at sinabi.
As a lawyer herself, Yusek Castro said there's no need now for the prosecution to present more evidence since VP Sara earlier admitted the threat herself. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.